Hey there, welcome back to another quick and simple tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your WhatsApp link and share it with anyone you want, whether it's a friend or a family member. Getting your WhatsApp link is super easy, and the process is the same whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. So, let's dive right into it. The very first step is to open the WhatsApp application on your device. Now, the app doesn't have a specific option that allows us to copy our WhatsApp link directly. But don't worry, I'll show you a neat little trick to manually generate the link. Once you've opened WhatsApp, find someone with whom you'd like to share your link. It could be on WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or any other messaging platform. The choice is yours. Now, type the following, word.me/ followed by your WhatsApp phone number after the slash. But remember, include the country code before your phone number. Once you've entered your WhatsApp number with the country code, send it to the person you're chatting with. And just like that, you've got your WhatsApp link. Now, when someone clicks on that link, it'll open a conversation with you in WhatsApp, and they can start messaging you right away. It's that simple. And that's how you get my WhatsApp link easily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.